daily practice for English.
What is your name?
My name is Maria.
What is your surname?
My surname is Johnson.
How old are you?
I am 32 years old.
When is your birthday?
On March 15th.
Where were you born?
In London.
What is your nationality?
I am British.
What languages do you speak?
English and Spanish.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Do you have children?
Not yet.
Where do you live?
In Manchester.
What is your address?
24 Oak Street.
Do you live in a house or flat?
In a flat.
What floor do you live on?
On the 3rd floor.
What is your phone number?
It is 0770123345.
Do you have social media?
Yes, I use Instagram.
Can I contact you by phone?
Yes, of course.
What is the best time to call?
In the evening.
Do you prefer calls or messages?
Messages.
Do you have a big family?
No, it is small.
How many people are in your family?
4 people.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, 1 brother.
Is he older or younger?
He is younger.
What is his name?
His name is Tom.
Where does he live?
In London.
Are your parents alive?
Yes, they are.
Where do they live?
In Birmingham.
Do you see them often?
Yes, every month.
Are you close to your family?
Yes, very close.
Do you like your home?
Yes, I do.
Is it big or small?
It is medium-sized.
How many rooms does it have?
4 rooms.
Do you have a balcony?
Yes, a small one.
What is your favorite room?
The living room.
Is there a garden?
No, there isn't.
Do you have a parking space?
Yes, we do.
Is your home quiet?
Yes, quite quiet.
Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, it is nice.
How long have you lived there?
For 3 years.
What time do you wake up?
At 7 o'clock.
What time do you go to work?
At 7:30. Or 8:30.
What time do you start work?
At 9 o'clock.
What time is your lunch break?
At 1 o'clock.
What time do you finish work?
At 6 o'clock.
What time do you get home?
At 7 o'clock.
What time do you have dinner?
At 8 o'clock.
What time do you go to bed?
At 11 o'clock.
Do you have a fixed schedule?
Yes, mostly.
Is your schedule busy?
Yes, quite busy.
Do you work?
Yes, I do.
What is your job?
I am a nurse.
Where do you work?
At the city hospital.
Do you like your job?
Yes, very much.
How long have you worked there?
For 5 years.
Is it a difficult job?
Yes, but rewarding.
Do you work full-time?
Yes, I do.
How many hours do you work?
40 hours a week.
Do you work on weekends?
Sometimes.
Do you get along with your colleagues?
Yes, we are a good team.
Do you earn a good salary?
Yes, it is okay.
Do you save money?
Yes, every month.
Do you have a bank account?
Yes, I do.
Do you use cash or card?
Mostly card.
Do you pay bills online?
Yes, all of them.
Do you have a budget?
Yes, I do.
Is life expensive in your city?
Yes, quite expensive.
Do you spend money on clothes?
Sometimes.
What do you spend most money on?
Rent and food.
Are you good with money?
Yes, I think so.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't.
How do you get to work?
By bus.
Is there a bus stop nearby?
Yes, very close.
Do you use the metro?
Sometimes.
Do you ever take a taxi?
Rarely.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I do.
Do you use it often?
In summer.
Can you drive?
Yes, I have a license.
Do you like public transport?
It is okay.
What is your favorite food?
Italian food.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Can you cook well?
Yes, I think so.
What do you usually cook?
Pasta and salads.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I do.
Do you like fish?
Yes, very much.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, every day.
What is your favorite fruit?
Strawberries.
What do you drink most?
Water and tea.
Do you drink alcohol?
Sometimes wine.
Do you eat out often?
Once or twice a month.
What kind of restaurants do you like?
Italian and Asian.
Do you like fast food?
Not really.
What is your favorite restaurant?
A small Italian place nearby.
Do you order delivery?
Sometimes.
Do you like coffee shops?
Yes, I love them.
What do you order at a cafe?
Coffee and cake.
Do you eat breakfast out?
Rarely.
Do you prefer lunch or dinner out?
Dinner.
Do you tip at restaurants?
Yes, usually 10%.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do.
Where do you buy groceries?
At the supermarket.
How often do you go shopping?
Once a week.
Do you shop online?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you buy online?
Clothes and books.
Do you use shopping lists?
Yes, always.
Do you compare prices?
Yes, I do.
Do you like sales?
Yes, I love them.
Do you buy brands?
Sometimes.
What shops do you like?
Department stores.
What size do you wear?
Medium.
What is your favorite color to wear?
Blue.
Do you like dresses?
Yes, I love them.
Do you wear jeans?
Yes, often.
What shoes do you prefer?
Comfortable ones.
Do you wear jewelry?
Yes, earrings and rings.
Do you have a lot of clothes?
Enough.
Do you follow fashion?
A little.
Where do you buy clothes?
At the mall or online.
Do you like your style?
Yes, I do.
What is the weather like today?
It is sunny.
Do you like this weather?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite season?
Spring.
Do you like summer?
Yes, but not too hot.
Do you like winter?
Not really.
Does it rain a lot here?
Yes, quite a lot.
Does it snow in winter?
Sometimes.
What do you wear when it rains?
A raincoat and boots.
Do you carry an umbrella?
Yes, always.
Do you check the weather forecast?
Yes, every morning.
How do you feel today?
I feel fine. Thank you.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I am.
Do you get sick often?
No, rarely.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Do you take any medicine?
No, I don't.
Do you go to the doctor regularly?
Yes, once a year.
Do you have health insurance?
Yes, I do.
Do you exercise?
Yes, regularly.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, usually.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis.
How often do you play?
Once a week.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, twice a week.
What do you do at the gym?
Cardio and weights.
Do you like running?
Yes, I do.
Do you swim?
Yes, in summer.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Do you watch sports on TV?
Sometimes.
What sports do you like watching?
Football and tennis.
Are you fit?
Yes, fairly fit.
What do you do in your free time?
I read and watch films.
Do you have much free time?
Not a lot.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and see friends.
Do you go out on Friday nights?
Sometimes.
Do you prefer staying home or going out?
It depends.
Do you like parties?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you meet friends often?
Yes, every week.
Where do you meet them?
At cafes or their homes.
What do you do together?
We talk and have fun.
Do you enjoy your free time?
Yes, very much.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, reading and photography.
When did you start photography?
3 years ago.
Do you have a camera?
Yes, a digital one.
What do you photograph?
Nature and people.
Do you read a lot?
Yes, I do.
What kind of books?
Novels and biographies.
Do you like music?
Yes, very much.
What kind of music?
Pop and classical.
Can you play an instrument?
No, but I want to learn.
Do you have other hobbies?
I like gardening.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I do.
What do you use it for?
Calls, messages, and internet.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, a laptop.
Do you use it every day?
Yes, for work and personal use.
Do you watch videos online?
Yes, on YouTube.
Do you listen to podcasts?
Sometimes.
Do you play video games?
No, I don't.
Do you use apps?
Yes, many.
What is your favorite app?
A photo editing app.
Is technology important to you?
Yes, very important.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
How often do you travel?
Once or twice a year.
Where did you go last?
To Spain.
Did you like it?
Yes, very much.
Do you prefer beach or city holidays?
Beach.
Do you travel alone or with someone?
With my husband.
Do you book hotels or apartments?
Hotels.
Do you fly or drive?
I fly.
Do you like airports?
They are okay.
Where do you want to go next?
To Greece.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm going to work.
Do you have plans for the weekend?
Yes, visiting friends.
What are you doing next month?
Going on holiday.
Where are you going?
To the coast.
Are you excited?
Yes. Very.
Do you have long-term plans?
Yes, some.
Do you want to move house?
Maybe in a few years.
Do you want to change jobs?
Not at the moment.
Do you want to travel more?
Yes, definitely.
Do you want to learn something new?
Yes, a new language.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
What makes you happy?
Family, friends, and good health.